I moved to the United States in 2002. When I was in Bosnia, we heard about they were accepting immigrants, and you had to apply to get here. It's like a winning lottery. They pick 2 families out of 100 plus, and we started off with 0, with nothing. In 2010, I heard True was hiring.
В Сполучених Штатах я працюю це на першій праці, а так в основному я працював в Україні і в Європі. Ну, саме перше, коли ще починалася війна в Україні, я був в Європі, в Польщі. Потім, виходить, мого кума, сестра, посовітувала, що можна приїхати в Америку по UFU.
I left my country in the result of the war in Darfur when the government committed genocide against Darfuri's people in West Sudan. I applied for asylum actually. Now I am here and I am so happy, I am so grateful, and I am so lucky being here.
So I started working on the line. The leaders that I worked down there with, they were great. I looked up to them and they taught me a lot of things. The more they talked about their job and what their responsibilities are, the more interested I was in being in the leadership. And I was department leader for about 5 years or so. Right now I'm a plant manager.
Інститут, що ми сюди приїхали, що займається нами, він нам порекомендував цю роботу. Троє. Ну, так як я не знаю англійської, то я спілкуюся по переводчику. Ставлення добре.
The nice thing about working here, they give you option. This means they care about you.
Support is amazing here. Everybody gets along very well.
The people here, the staff is amazing. They treat you as a family.